AMBR stock analysis and price predictions for Tuesday. Is AMBR International Holding stock a buy? I'm going to be breaking all of it down in this brief and short 1-minute video. I am the only person in the stock trading space that has actually done 43,000 videos and documented everything. So I have genuinely seen what's working for me and what's not, and mainly documented everything. Even with this limited amount of data, I was like, okay, I'm expecting the top to kind of be met. And not only was that top met, we then crashed down. So I haven't made a video in not quite a while, but in a decent amount of time. It seems like we made lower lows. Now, from where we are now, here's that supply zone. And it's just that the likelihood this thing kind of keeps melting is still very, very high. Like, genuinely speaking, eh? So, if there is a double break, then I'm further looking to take it further lower. All I'm doing here in the meantime is obviously just waiting for rules to be met. Look at AMBR, look at this. Yeah, not much receipts, but if you want to stay tuned and get my money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. It's free, and I'll see you in the next one.